kapag na-elect na ang Pope, there's the white smoke.
Okay.
The white smoke, how is there white smoke? Kasi akala, dati meron akong kaibigan na akala niya, because it's a work of the Holy Spirit, they put it there, and then pag sinunog at itim yung lumabas, hindi yan ang gusto ng Holy Spirit.
Okay.
Pag puti yan lumabas,
That's
yan
nice.
ang gusto.
That's nice.
I mean, that's one misconception, hindi po
Yes,
ba? So
oo.
how does white smoke come to be?
Ngayon may chemicals daw. Kasi hindi ko kabisado kung anong chemicals, no. Pero kasi there have been times in the past that the people outside got confused kasi gray.
Gray.
No. So now with modern technologies, they have made sure na if it's black, it's really black, and if it's white, it's really white. So that comes from the ballot, no. And then with certain chemicals to make sure that the white smoke comes out.
So it does not precede the election, yung white smoke.
After the election.
Yun, oo.
After the election yun.
Para doon sa kaibigan kong yun. Kasi talagang nagulat ako, all right. So it's something that needs to be explained
Yes,
pala.
okay.
It's something that needs to be explained. So yung the blackness and the whiteness, it's because of technically it's because of the chemicals.
Yes, yes.